guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading!
Mu Yi died cruelly. He died from acute backfire pain in heart. Maybe because Yu cut off the contractual relationship. Grabe si Yu. He crawled towards the direction of the rock mountain. He must have desired to go home. Maintindihan talaga to ni Xiong yun kasi yung father niya di ba namatay sa contractual din. Yung pag-void. Backfire pain from the terminated mate contract. What a poor abandoned male. Liit niya pala. Chief, cremate Mu Yi. Don't we wait for Mu Xiang to see him? Oo nga, ayun ipakita. After losing 5 mates in succession, Mu Xiang has had poorer and poorer health. Wow. She must cry her heart out if she sees Mu Yi died in a terrible death. I don't want her to be hurt again. If she knows it in the future, we can just keep it as long as we can. Ba't niya si secret? Di mas lalong sasakit loob nun. If she knows it, I'll take full blame no matter whether she resents or hates me. Galit talaga yun sa'yo, nakabar. I see. Then do it. Cremate na lang nila si Mu Yi. Wawa naman. Pero paano nila malaman yung story? Oh no, Crackle. He liked to run around since childhood, greatly worrying Mu Xiang. Wala, baka may secret message siya nilagay dyan tapos sinunog niyo siya. Ano ba kayo? Unexpectedly, he died from a backfire pain of the mate contract. Hindi niya nasabi yung message. If Mu Yi hadn't left us. What? If he hadn't left you, what? Pogi siya dito ha. Pwede naman pala mag-cover. Bakit lagi ka nakahubad pag si Wanwan yung kasama mo? Wanwan might have saved him by dissolving the mate contract. Wanwan is correct. Oh, kasi para ma-forget niya, diba? Di niya ma-feel yung pain. In that way, no one will die. If there is a way to cancel a mate contract, such a tragedy can be avoided. Mu Yi failed to return home before he died. Now, let's take him home. Wow, what naman? Russell. Mu Yi, please understand me. You also don't want to see your sister cry sadly again. Ano yan? Just wind. What else? Rock Mountain. Okay. They're home. Pag titignan mo siya, hindi siya katulad ng parang empire, parang fortress. Kung ganyan. Kaya pala na-amaze sila lagi pagpasok. Sister. Narinig niya. Kaya din kaya magbigay ng last message? Mu Yi? Hesitantly. Ang cute naman ng anak niya. Wala, te. Patay na talaga yung little brother mo. Is it the sound of wind? Wink talaga. Dinala yung message niya. Did Muyi die? Namatay siya. Oh, iba na naman yung damit niya. Good job. Yes, Ji-Yuan brought his ashes back. O kita mo, pagkasama niya talaga si Wanwan, naguhubad to si Shuang Yun. Keep it a secret from Wuxiang. Wanwan, remember not to tell others about it. Yes. If I could invent forget love potion early, Muyi might have been saved. It's all his choices. Nga naman, choice naman talaga ni Muyi yun. Iniwan niya yung tribe, iniwan niya yung sister niya na nagpalaki sa kanya for a very long time. We're all onlookers in his life. Correct! It's irritating. Yiwu, the culprit, is at large. It's unfair. We'll revenge Muyi. Hanggang revenge na lang talaga kayo. Paano yan kung maunahan kayo? Inasend yung message. We'd better get ready in advance. Mui Qing has colluded with Dark Moon Temple, so they definitely fight back. Do to others before they do to us. Let's directly kill Bujin and Ma Qing. Even if they die, Dark Moon Temple won't give up eliminating us. Tama nga naman. Make some trouble for them. After killing Bujin and Ma Qing, I'll go back to the Beast City and find people to cause trouble to Dark Moon Temple. Kaya mo yun? Which Beast City are you going back to? O nga naman, hindi mo sinasabi kung saan ka galing. Baka mataas katungkulan nitong lalaking to, no? Itong si Baidi na to. Kahina-hinala, char. Sun City. Ruffle her hair. So ano ang Sun City? Nagulat sila. What is Sun City? Maganda ba yung Sun City na yan? Ba't sila nagulat? Eye-to-eye contact. What is Sun City? Of course, you don't know. Like Dark Moon City, it's also a medium-sized city. What else do you want to ask? Yes. Dami niya palang tanong. Oh, ano ba yan? Akala ko magtatanong, ba't naglalabing-labing? But whatever you want to know, I can tell you. Why not tell her na lang? Don't let her ask na lang, diba? Okay, I have no other questions. One. Oh, yes. So, can I sleep with you tonight? So may goy eh. Segue agad yarn. I have class tomorrow morning. Tapos, I know, you're pregnant. O tapos, ano plano mo? You're just going to sleep with her lang, tabi lang, ganon. Sige ha. Just sleep with me. No sexual intercourse, okay? Buti pa to. Kakaintindi. Confused. Well, okay. Ang pogi talaga ni Baidi. Char. Carry her in his arms. Sa laki ba naman ni Baidi, ano? We'll go to bed first. Ay, iniwan yung dalawa. Iniwan si Shuang yan siya kasi Sangye. O, diba? Wala silang nasabi. Incline his ear. You actually eavesdrops on them? Siloso talaga to si Shuang yun. Don't you wonder what Wanwan and Baidi do in the room? Chismoso. Nakakatisa isa din sa nakakadala ng ano dito si Shuang yun eh. Seryoso pero nakakatawa yung ginagawa, parang bata. They just slept together. Baidi is unlike you. Tagang. You can control yourself if you hug her when sleeping. We, ikaw lang naman eh. Ikaw lang naman hindi nakakakontrol. Don't put on a show. Join me if you're curious. I promise I won't tell Wanwan. Incline his ear. Dalawa na sila. Na-curious din si Sangyi. Oh, ano narinig mo? Whiz. Coil him away. Run! Takbo! Narinig pala sila ni Baidi. Wala talaga tong dalawang to. Kekengkoy. Yan kasi. Mga chismoso kasi kayo. Yan tuloy. Nawala agad yung dalawa. Ang bilis ah. Baidi, what's the matter? Nothing. 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 Sleep early. O diba, tabi na sila agad. Parang sa tingin ko si Wanwan pa hindi makakakontrol. His cups make me unable to fall asleep. We. Talandik ka din eh, Charla. Love natin si Wanwan, of course. We love her so much. Baidi, are you alright? Inosente masyado tong babaeng ere. Why are you asking if he's alright or not? Diba ang pogi talaga ni Baidi? It's my fault. I can't control my sexual desire at the sight of you. Well, I'd better sleep in the next room. Get up. Get up, get up. Yeah, I know, Wanwan. Pagbibigyan mo din yan. Baidi. Ito mo to, pinagbigyan talaga. Let me help you. Anong gagawin mo?
Anong gagawin mo, girl? Huh? Help what? Pati siya nagtaka. Paano?
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!